Hello class 9C. In our previous class we have seen the gas equation, that means how temperature, pressure and volume are interrelated with each other, and after that we have derived the gas equation, that is P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2, and after that we came to know about standard temperature and pressure or normal temperature and pressure. So we came to know that standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, which in Kelvin scale it is 273 Kelvin, and standard pressure is 760 millimeter mercury or 76 centimeter mercury, or it is equal to 1 atmosphere. Now today we are going to see the numerical based on that gas equation. So the question is, a given mass of a gas occupies 572 centimeter cube at 13 degrees Celsius and 725 millimeter mercury pressure. What will be its volume at 24 degrees Celsius and 792 millimeter mercury pressure? So this is the given question. So from this, first you'll write down the givens. What are the givens in the question? So the first volume, that is 572, is the initial volume. So it is V1 572 centimeter. Then we have got P1 as 725 millimeter mercury. Okay. Then we have got T1 13 degrees Celsius. We need to convert into Kelvin, so we added 273, which will come as 286 Kelvin. Next, what is given? You need to find out the value for V2. So that means T2 is given. T2 is 273 plus 24 degree, 297, and P2 value is also given, 792 millimeter mercury. You are asked to find out V2. Now applying the gas equation, and how to know when to apply this gas equation. If nothing is given constant, we came to know that from our previous numerical calculation, if the temperature is constant, we used Boyle's law. If pressure is constant, we use Charles' law. But if nothing is given constant, then we have to use the gas equation, that is P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. Got it? Now you substitute the values over there. Okay, so P1 725, B1 is 572, T1 286, P2 792, V2 we need to calculate, and T2 is 297. So from this you get the value for V2. Okay, by simplifying it, finally you'll get the value for V2 as 543.75 centimeter cube. Okay, now the required volume of gas is 543.75 centimeter cube. Don't forget to write down the unit. Okay, so this is how we can solve the numerical based on the gas equation. Now assignment 12 and assignment for today. Question number 1. A given mass of a gas occupies 143 centimeter cube at 27 degrees Celsius and 700 millimeter mercury. What will be the volume? What will be its volume at 300 Kelvin and 280 millimeter mercury? Okay, so in a similar way you'll find out the answer for this. Next, question number 2 is, a sample of carbon dioxide occupies 30 centimeter cube at 15 degrees Celsius and 740 millimeter mercury. Okay, find its volume at STP. Okay, now over here if you see, then V1 is given, T1 and P1 is given. Now for the final you need to use the value for STP. Standard temperature 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin, and standard pressure, since the first value is given in millimeter mercury and we use the standard pressure as 760 millimeter mercury. So from this you get the value. Complete it and send it in my mail.